Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can translate a Google document in just a click. So this is very easy and it's very useful because you will be able to translate basically any document into a lot of different languages in just a click, because this is an inbuilt function of Google Documents, so you won't even need to download anything. So let's begin. The first thing you're gonna do to translate a document is, of course, opening the document you want to translate. In my case, I'm gonna open this one. As you can see, it's in English. And to translate it, you need to go to Tools, then go to Translate Document. And now you will need to set a title for this document. In my case, I will leave it a translated copy of my document, for example. You can, of course, set any name you want. And now you need to choose the language you want. You can see you can choose between a lot of different languages. In my case, I'm gonna select Spanish, for example, and then you need to click Translate. Now it will save a copy of your document with the new name. And as you can see, it has been translated in Spanish, and it's basically the same text but in Spanish. So that's how easy it is. As you can see, this is very useful to translate any document. I'm gonna translate it back to English so you can see it has been translated correctly and there are no issues. Just wait a few seconds. And now, as you can see, I have the document in English again, and it has been translated perfectly. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.